everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I feel like sharing a story with you. Once upon a time there was... No, hold on. I'm not going to narrate a fairy tale, but a story of a common man like you and me. The best part about this story is all of us will be able to relate with it. This is a story of David, who is to live in a small village with his family. As his family was going through a financial crisis, he decided to travel to a big city and look for a job. He did not know anyone in the city and was feeling very lonely. He was constantly thinking about the fact that in order to survive in this new place, he will need food, clothing, and shelter. Since he had very little money, most of the days he could only purchase bread to fill his stomach. Fortunately, he was able to get a job in a factory within a few days. Now that he started earning, he wanted to have some dishes of his choice. One day, he decided to have chicken burger and went to a food court. When he was looking at the price of the burgers, he realized that he did not have enough money. Although he wanted to have a burger, but he was not able to buy one. After a few weeks, again he had the desire to have burger. By now he had saved some money. So he went to the food court, bought a chicken burger and fulfilled his demand. Now I have a question for you. Are there any economic terms used in the story that need our focus? Yes, there are. And some of these terms are need, want and demand. In this tutorial, we will try to find out whether need is equal to want is equal to demand, and David's story will help us to find the answer. Needs are the basic human requirements which are essential for survival. These basic necessities include food, clothes, shelter, and water. Want is the desire for goods and services that are not necessary but increases the quality of living. Wants are not essential for humans to survive, but we need them for higher satisfaction. Want becomes demand when backed by purchasing power. If an individual is willing and able to buy what he needs or wants, he creates a demand for the product. Let's go back to David's story and find out what were his needs. In order to survive, he needed food, clothes, and shelter. What David wanted? He wanted a specific type of food, a chicken burger. He was influenced by the city life and wanted to have food items which are popular in the city. Could he get what he wanted? In his first visit to the food court, he could not fulfill his want. But when he was willing to buy and also able to pay for the burger, his want turned into demand. Points to remember. Need refers to those things we must have in order to survive. Wants are merely things that we desire and can do without. Water is one of our basic necessity and is included in the category of need. But our desire to have chilled water on a hot summer day is a want, something that we can do without, but if our desire is fulfilled, we experience higher level of satisfaction. Wants can vary depending on perception, culture, and society of each individual. The basic difference between want and demand is desire. A person may desire something, but he may not be able to fulfill his desire. We may have desire for luxurious vehicles, expensive furniture, and delicious food, but our desire will turn into demand when we have the ability to pay for these items. Demand comprises of three things: desire to buy, ability to buy, and willingness to buy. So need is equal to want is equal to demand is not a correct statement. Demand is a combination of desire, ability, and willingness to buy. I hope all of you are enjoying learning different concepts of economics in a whole new way. Please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel In-Depth Economics for more of such engrossing videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Till then, take care and bye-bye.